Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're looking at our range of Copperflex panels here. And starting at the back here, that's our new 370 watt. You can see there, 1840 by 1040 wide, exactly the same size as the SunPower 400s that we do. That's 370, and it's reasonably high VOC. Then we've got the 140 underneath here, the 100, the 70, and the really slim one there, which is generally for boats and good for caravans like the Kimberley and the AOR, is that 60 underneath there. And then we've got our portable panel at the bottom there. All of these have got the same, exactly the same cells that you can see, and they've all got the copper anode at the back and the copper cathode. So there's no wires connecting these cells at all. And if you saw our video last week on the boat that was 1 year old, these panels are producing at 115 and 118% of the nameplate. So if you get excited when you read 90% output to the nameplate, don't get excited. We want to see over 100% on all our panels. And I've got to say, how good's that?